Here's Lucy having her toothbrush at night. She can't go to bed at night till she chews up her toothbrush. Yeah, look at her go there. How is that, Lucy? You got half of it ate already. Is it good? Huh? Yeah, she loves brushing her teeth at night. Are you almost got it there? Oh, that's good. That's a good puppy. Look at her, brushing her teeth before she goes to bed. Is it good? Really? You're smacking them jaws. Oh, just swish it all around there. Whoops. Had too big of a piece. Yeah, you gotta get them teeth all clean. Yeah, look at there. You just about got it. Yeah. Is it good? One more little piece. Oh, one more little piece and it's all gone. It's all gone. Can you sit pretty? Can you sit? Oh. Okay, sit. Lucy, sit. 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 Good girl.